At the La Paz County Park again to take a $2 shower. For those of you who never saw one, here's your phone. So, the problem I keep having out here is this, the rain. So, I'll shoot a video of those buckets. I got them covered up for the rain. There's 10 buckets under there I dug out of my hole over there. And I knew it was going to rain, but I didn't know it was this much. Good thing I got Plan B into action, because I was getting ready to dry wash, and then it started getting all hazy and cloudy like this yesterday. And about halfway through it, I figured I'd catch some of the water, so I took Barry's swimming pool bed, slashed my sluice bucket, if you want to call it. There's his water. It's filled up. Then I just left this stuff out here. Now, there wasn't no water in that, and it's filling up a little bit. Caught some of that water. Came back up here, dented my trailer in the same spots again. It's always in that back corner down there. And right up here in the front corner, for some reason, I'll get my shovel out and fix that part where I come through, but I'm not real sure where that's at. Then, we're real close to the highway right over that ridge there, or it seems like it's pretty loud here. And that's where we're at. And now I'm going to make sure it's not going to rain later and check my dirt and set up a dry washer and do it out here in the moisture to see how it works like that. Anybody got any tips? Leave them in the comments. Well, a couple videos back or whatever, maybe the last video I posted, that was the hill I was testing, and there's the hole where I was getting nice flakes. That's where I pulled 10 buckets out. And over there was where the blimp was flying by, down there on the close to the road where I left my trailer. This time I brought my trailer back up here. It's a lot easier to have all my equipment with me out here, especially the dry washer and things. I wasn't going to use buckets. I was going to just throw it in the dry washer and put classify down 1/2 inch. Here we are cooking up some bacon. Sato's been out vacuuming the van. Got the generator going, but nothing's hooked on it yet. Guess I hooked the freezer and refrigerator up. Refrigerator, I don't know if it's still working or not. I might have to get me another one. A couple of my buckets got a little bit of water dripped in them, so this is how it's going to dry it out. Put it on there, spread it out real good. It's already drying pretty quick. Here's the other ones that didn't get wet down there. Only the top one of that yellow one had gotten a little drip in it. That's what's on the far side there, and then the other bucket it had a weight on it, and it had a pocket of water sitting on the tarp, and it was dripping in the bucket. So I'm gonna dry that out, and I'll end up having to get some more gas because we've been sitting out here in the rain and stuff, just watching TV and things, working on the internet and running the generator using solar power. But we had to cut back on the solar a little bit because of the storm and the clouds and the rain. I still get power from it, but I could kill it down real quick probably. Hey guys, make sure the camera's on. I'm out here trying to mine. We keep getting rain and then clouds, and they just stick to the sun. See over there, nice open sky, and we were seeing the sun on the hills. You can see it way out that way, maybe. We got all this. So, drying dirt. I had it up here because it's still wet on the ground. It sweats through there. And got some dry stuff getting ready to run. I got some in the ditch over there on the ground without a tarp. Just laying there. And I check on there once in a while and mix it up so I can do that to it and dry it out. And those 10 buckets, I lost 5 buckets worth of flakes because I had them in my pan, and then somehow they ended up inside of here, so I have to get those out later. But here's what I got. I don't know. The camera sometimes has trouble picking it up on the black pan, but there's a nice chunky piece in there. I almost could pick that one up when I saw it, but that's what it looks like. fence.